There are two types of rounding. One is to decimal places. This is where we count from the decimal point. So if we take the number 523.71526 and we want to round to two decimal places, we start from the decimal point, we count 1, 2 places, and that's where we're going to cut the number off. So it's going to be 523.7 something, and the something depends on what comes after the cut-off point. 5 tells us that this rounds up, so it's going to be 7, 2. Let's take another example. 0.00431569. Let's go for 4 decimal places. There's the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So it's going to be 0.004. Let's see what happens to the 3. Well, the one after the cutoff point is a 1, so nothing changes, it stays as a 3. If the cutoff number is 5 or above, we round up. If it's 4 or below, then we just leave it the same. The other type of rounding is significant figures. Which means we start counting at the beginning of the number, not where the decimal point is. So if we take our number 523.71526 and round to two significant figures, we're going to count the first 2 values and do the cut-off. So it's 5 2's followed by a 3, so it stays the same. Now the answer can't be 52 because our original number was 523. It must be the same size, so we need to put a 0, so our answer is 520. We don't put any more zeros after the decimal point. Other example, let's stick with what we had before, 0.00431569. Let's go for 4 significant figures. Now the zeros aren't counted as significant. We start counting once we get to something that's not a 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our cut-off. So it's 0.00431. The 5 is followed by a 6, so it's going to round up to become a 6.